We'll see you in a few minutes. Thank you, Wes. And just last month, severe storms hit our area, with hail smashing through car windows and damaging roofs. We spoke with people who needed to pay for repairs.
It sounded like there was pumpkins just being smashed on the top of our house. I had never heard anything like it before, so it scared us all.
It sounded like someone had a baseball bat and was just hitting the side of the house.
And today, KSHB 41's Elise Shawnee followed up with them. She shows us what they're doing before storms possibly hit.
Home and car repairs are still ongoing in these Shawnee neighborhoods, and residents here are crossing their fingers these repairs will hold up in the event of more severe weather that could come this weekend.
March 13th, we had this huge storm where we had gorilla hail.
Storms rocked this Shawnee neighborhood last month.
It totally gave me PTSD from here on out when it comes to storms.
And this isn't all Michelle Nicole is recovering from now.
We had broken windshields, we had broken moonroofs. Our cars were covered in dents that looked like golf balls. A lot of people in our neighborhood are also getting new roofs, new siding. And
Michelle said the process hasn't been easy.
Well, it's been pretty financially devastational for us. I mean, coming up with deductibles of $1,000 per vehicle, that was extremely hard.
And insurance has become just one more worry.
When we called our insurance, we're basically told that if we make another claim on our homeowner's insurance, they're going to drop us.
I was told that if it didn't look to get it scheduled now, maybe late summer or fall, but before the work would be able to even be completed due to the amount of damage that was out here.
Nearby neighbor Chris Foster's roof was damaged too. If
we get another storm of that magnitude, whether it be wind, hail, or tornado, my biggest concern is just going to be going through the process again and what insurance is going to look like, potential increases in premiums.
Neither of the two want this outcome again.
We're really left, at the mercy of the weather.
But the neighborhood learned how to be its own rock in the process.
All of us swung into action to help one another.
Elise Shawnee, KSHB 41 News.